Let's go here, and you'll notice that on Monday we went higher. Okay, let's pay attention to this. You see this white candlestick? We went higher. Everything looked great. Looked like we were going to make this high base breakout. We had a chance to do that. No, bears come in. Bam! To the downside, breaking a major trend line. We come down. We get our breath on some major moving averages. Holding up. And then on Friday, that's today, the day I'm doing this video, bam! To the downside. If you look here at the Qs, we were down 2.7% today. Guys, trouble city here in the markets. If you look here at the Qs, we have major support getting ready to come up on this daily chart. Go to the Russell 2000, major support coming up. Look for a bounce to take place, or at least some relief for the bulls.